dad sold computers, moms did the tax. Weren't rich, just technologically advanced. Some humble when it comes to these little gadgets. What my friends didn't have, I usually had it. The example that they set was that of hard work that came here to live the dreams, and now it's my turn. But it took a little time, cause for as long as I was dealing with the fact that I could die any moment. So to cope with, I was zoning. Only stress that I had, I was smoking. Now I'm floating 5 years between school, working. Homies hated being at home, but no idea where I was going. Till my eyes finally open, reevaluating my reflection in these poems. As I look at the years when I was a stranger, why I caught not getting fucked was just misplaced anger at the world. Cause I was a nice guy who never got a girl that I liked. So all I did was feel sorry, compensated for the lonely void with a bunch of parties. But no amount of liquor could blur out the fact that I saw my future being caught up in the past. Wondering why it didn't last when it was staring right at me in my face. And now it's no more looking back. It wasn't the world, it was me, seeking approval from people I didn't need. People couldn't see the person that I be. They kept fighting with the visions I threw in peace. When your back's against the wall and you cannot face the fall, after giving it your all, you stop living for tomorrow. Trapped in a moment, feeling hopeless while your soul is running lost in the open, just going through the motions. Blurring visions with the potion, so potent you begin to lose focus. And everything you ever did it ever mean a thing? Made it and it never did. But for you, you better say and stay. Let you go, cause truth be told, they held you back. Beautiful, no one else determines that. Lesson learned, brush it off, leave it in the past. You were burned, but like a phoenix, rise up out the ash. I was trying to be someone for somebody else. Now I do it for myself. Yeah, I do it for myself. Said I do it for I was trying to be someone for somebody else. Now I do it for myself. Yeah, I do it for myself. Said I do it for when your best just doesn't cut it, and they're thinking nothing of it, when it's hard to make it love it, and you're close to saying fuck it, but nah, you done came too far. What the fuck they take you for? They tryna rain on your parade. It's up to you to make it pour. Give them all your heart and soul until they cannot take no more. Then it's back to the lab until you cannot make no more. Get it? Cause you're something they ain't used to. They just a rapper and say you too. There's a bunch of you on YouTube. Nah, homie, you are you too. You and no one else. Fuck them if they don't respect it. Go ahead and ask for help, but trust me, bro, don't expect. I know it's hard to try. Feeling like you're so neglected. Just keep it real with yourself. I swear it's so much better. I was trying to be someone for somebody else. Now I do it for myself. Yeah, I do it for myself. Said I do it for I was trying to be someone for somebody else.